I'm here at Westgate Palace in Orlando, Florida, actually close to Universal Orlando, and we're staying in a signature 2-bedroom deluxe villa. It's all the way at the end of the hallway here, so we're going to check it out right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. Like I said, our villa, our unit's all the way down here at the very end. We're staying in a signature 2-bedroom deluxe villa. I understand it's actually one of the larger ones here because they also have standard units. But I actually do want to show you here first. We're in the elevator area, kind of what you can expect to see as a view from whichever side of the hallway you might be on. So we're kind of looking out here at Universal Orlando. You can see the theme park kind of over here. You do have Volcano Bay, and then you have dockside as well as endless summer hotel resorts there as well. So yeah, this is the one view if you're facing kind of over towards Universal Orlando. And then over on the opposite side, if you're on a villa or in a room that faces the other direction, this one faces down towards International Drive, Icon Park. You can see the Orlando Eye, that big, huge, tall swing that you'll never see me on. Number of different hotels and apartment buildings over here as well. So just a bit of an idea what the views are like from each side. Pretty good no matter what. Now let's head down here. We're going to check out our room. I think they actually call these suites or family suites here at this resort. Okay, the first thing we're going to notice when we come into this, what they call a signature deluxe 2-bedroom. It's actually kind of on the small side. I believe only about 700 square feet. So these units, a little bit small, but I think it will do. And we'll also notice at the end here, they don't have any balconies or patios here at Westgate Palace. But when we first come in here, we do have a small little kitchen area. It does have your microwave, oven, range, dishwasher, sink. You have a coffee maker there. And then here we also have a full-size refrigerator. So definitely nice to have this refrigerator. And it looks like they do have an ice maker, which I will turn on for us. Then up here above the fridge, there's some storage up here. It looks like maybe you have a mixing bowl, kind of a baking dish there, and a measuring cup. And in the sink here, it looks like they kind of give us some initial starting supplies. And then now let's see what we have up here in the cabinets. Looks like we have some kind of glassware and dinnerware for 6 people. I'm noticing that the plates and bowls, they all look like they're glass. Not really big on that. Would rather have kind of those ceramic, kind of normal white plates, you know. Here we do have some additional glassware, and there's some coffee mugs up there too. And now let's see what we have underneath here in the lower cabinets. Down here there's a colander and a pitcher. There, of course, is that dishwasher over here on the other side. We do have a set of pots and pans. Let's see what the non-stick skillet looks like. It's not in all that great a shape. But yeah, you do have pots and pans. And I'm sure over here, we're going to have as well. We do have utensils, of course, for 6. You have steak knives and cutting knives and a bread knife in there too. Some additional kind of cooking utensils. And then what do we have down here? It's just some placemats for, a dining room table that really doesn't exist. We'll kind of take a look at what I mean there here in just a moment. But under here, we do have kind of some small appliances. You have a blender there and a toaster. And now in here beside the refrigerator, we do have a closet door, and this has the in-room laundry. So kind of a larger washer and dryer here stacked. And it is also where you'll find the in-room safe. Now something I noticed is, ours is already locked in the room. So we might have to text them and have them come and fix that for us. So can't get into the safe, but we'll close that. Now kind of before we actually check out the living area, in here in the entryway, they do have kind of just a small closet. You're gonna find an ironing board, and just a little bit of room for some storage in here. But now here we'll take a look at the living room area, and I do want to point out, about the dining room table, just essentially has kind of 5 stools here at the kitchen bar. Not really big on that because in here, you only have a single sofa. It does pull out into a sleeper where you can potentially sleep 2 people. But then you also kind of have a coffee table here, which is a long ways away from the sofa. And then down here, you have some storage along with a television up there on the wall. Now we're going to see here, there is no patio, no balconies here, just kind of windows that look out here. And we have a bit of a view kind of over towards Universal Orlando. This resort, of course, located really close to Universal Orlando. We have Volcano Bay over there. Then over here, we have dockside and endless summer resorts. But a small lake here, of course, lots of other hotels and places to stay here in Orlando if you're wanting to stay up near Universal Resort. Now let's go in and we'll take a look at the second bathroom, the guest bedroom, and then we'll finish off last in the master. But in here you do have a double vanity, nice big bright lighted mirror, and under the sink here, well, this is where you're gonna find all of the towels. I was kind of worried that they didn't have any in the room because there really wasn't too much hanging, but yeah, down here, your bath towels, hand towels, and washcloths. And then, well, in here a little bit further, well, you do have your toilet. And I believe in here is a walk-in shower. So pretty good sized walk-in shower here. It is pretty nice, kind of all marble all the way around. And then, well, up here you do have a single shower head. Yeah, there's that vanity again. And then just heading in here, well, we're gonna find the guest bedroom. You do just have twin beds, but I do see some exposed USB and power down here, along with, well, the Westgate Resorts logo there on the wall. Makes you proud to be staying at a Westgate Resort when you have that on the headboard. Anyway, they do have some artwork here. You have a couple of windows in here as well. And then, well, pretty small television down here at the end with some additional storage. No closet in here, kind of just this armoire where, well, there's some storage in here, some places to hang some stuff, and then maybe you can kind of put your suitcases or whatnot down on the bottom. So that's all for the guest bedroom. Now let's head over here and we'll take a look at the master. And in here, well, you do just have a king beds in here and another window there to the outside. And of course, another small television, kind of up above some storage as well. And well, here you do have headboard and, well, looks like the Roman Colosseum artwork up there. I'm not seeing any specific exposed USB and power, but I guess they do have an alarm clock over here that does have some power on it and some USB outlets as well. And now also here in the master bedroom, another ceiling fan here. I didn't point it out or mention it in the living room, but fortunately there isn't one over in there. And then behind the door here, well, we do have a closet with some storage, and it's where you're gonna find some extra bedding you use out on that sleeper sofa. So now let's go in and we'll take a look at the bathroom. So just a single vanity. It seems a little bit odd. The guest bath kind of has a double vanity, and I'm saying it's the guest bath because it's attached to what I believe is the guest bedroom with the twin beds. It's just odd. The bathroom seems maybe a little bit smaller and only the single vanity. Of course, bright lighted mirror there. You have a toilet over here as well. And then again, another walk-in shower. So shower about the same as the one in the other bathroom. They do also have some mini bottles and a bath bar there for you to use as well. But yeah, that is kind of the 2-bedroom signature deluxe unit here at Westgate Palace in Orlando, Florida. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see another video from here at Westgate Palace, well, it's going to be a resort tour. So check that out here. Coming up next, you'll really want to check out the resort here if you're planning to stay here at Westgate Palace. Thanks for watching, and remember, until next time, the best destination is always a timeshare.